Hello YouTube viewers, thank you so much for tuning in, and today I would like to share with you this living room. Right now it's a mess because I'm working on it. Now it's a second living room. I already have a living room where I have the fireplace and the TV. This here is called the family room and it leads to the kitchen, so that's the layout that I have. The dining room is all the way on the other end, but I am going to decorate this little living room here and convert it only into Christmas. This is where I have that big dollhouse, the gigantic dollhouse. I also have these display cabinets where I have all those dogs. I have cats in the other one. So I'm going to be emptying all this out so that you'll see only Christmas items in here. I also have Santa's duplex, which I am working on, which is that one, and I can't show you much of it. I'm working here and I'm working on this, and I've already done the store. So I will be bringing that to you soon. But all this is going to change. It's all going to be very festive. I have all this mess here because I've already started. So I will be back with this living room. When you see it again, it's going to be fully decorated into Christmas. So I hope that you stay tuned, and thank you so much for watching.